Hey folks, Steve from Rockwell Cycles here. So what we have in front of us is a Monster Plus in dark stealth colour. Very cool bike. I think Monsters are particularly fantastic bikes. They've got all the advanced electronics and you've got 111 horsepower, but it's only pushing 412 pounds of wet weight. That's a great power to weight ratio, and this is a lot of fun. However, we thought we'd have even more fun with it and see if we could just jazz it up a little bit visually, make it a bit more distinctive. So we've got hold of a special Ducati graphics kit that replaces the panels on each side of the gas tank as well as the rear panels here. We are going to do a New Age Cycles tail tidy so we can get rid of this protuberance at the back here, which always offends me. And we are going to replace these standard blinkers with the Euro spec ones, which are LEDs that sit flush with the bike's body. So with that being said, we'll get it into the shop and we'll start the surgery.
Good. That coming down.
Nice. So here we have the parts. On the right are the plastic parts, the body kit. Each side of the gas tank and the two rear fender portions. And then we had the New Age Cycles tail tidy there, two components, the LEDs and the bracket support and the license plate holder. And then we had those Euro spec LED blinkers. All ready for installation. So there we have it, guys. This is the finished product. You can see the special graphics packages here, and on this side as well. Really sharp look. I like what that's done to the bike's aesthetics. You can also see the Euro spec blinkers that are integrated into the front fairing of the bike and just look nice and sleek. And they have a really cool way, kind of pattern as well when they blink. And then also you can see Rage Cycles tail tidy fitted with the LED blinker above that, and the plate will be nice and tucked away and give a nice clean sleek look. And that's that. We're very pleased with that. We're now going to roll it back into its berth on the showroom floor, so if you want to come down and check it out, please do. Could be yours. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.